Window paint peeling or chipping can totally wreck your home's curb appeal and even cause damage if you don't fix it right away. So, first off, grab a good scraper and get rid of all that loose, flaking paint around your windows. Don't just peel it off with your hands. Make sure you get every bit that's ready to come off so the new paint sticks better. Next, sand the edges smooth so you don't end up with a lumpy mess once you repaint. Use some exterior grade primer on any bare wood spots to keep moisture out and help the paint last longer. When it's time to paint, pick a high quality exterior paint that can handle sun, rain, and whatever else Mother Nature throws at it. Apply at least 2 coats for the best coverage and durability. Oh, and make sure you do this on a dry day when the temperature is just right, like not too hot or freezing cold, because that affects drying. Finally, clean your tools right after so they don't get ruined, and you're set for next time. One of the biggest mistakes people make with peeling window paint is skipping the scraping step. They think a quick wipe or brush is enough, but that just makes the new paint peel again fast. Another common issue is using interior paint instead of exterior grade paint. It looks fine at first, but won't hold up to weather and fades or chips super quickly. Lastly, many forget to sand and prime before painting, which leads to uneven surfaces and poor adhesion, so the paint bubbles or cracks. Fix these by taking your time to prep properly, always choosing the right paint type, and never rushing the drying process. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing when it comes to home fixes like window painting. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a sweet way to get more work from homeowners who need reliable pros without the hassle.